But I understand as a result of the tariff war, one economy against all the others in the world, you have to find so-called alternative.
Our company is highly dependent on export to the US, made in China. Denmark and China has been good friends for many years, and Denmark was the second Western country to recognize China, the People's Republic of China. So that's why we are having the 75th anniversary. And I think that overall the relationship is good. And a lot of Danish companies are doing great business here, and they are very, confident, and they're expanding the investment. Mostly it's for China, in China, for China. So it's developing products for the Chinese market, which is going well. Investing in the future, in my understanding, is that you kind of have to be in China. And this is maybe a little bit of a strong statement.
So that's manufacturing, which is you are focusing on.
All focusing, yes.
Well, you are a manufacturer.
Yes.
You run a wholly foreign-owned manufacturing company in China.
Yes.
But I understand as a result of the tariff war, one economy against all the others in the world, you have to find so-called alternative.
Our company is highly dependent on export to the US, made in China. So what we have been forced to do is to set up a factory in Vietnam and one in Mexico. It's a great place to manufacture, but that being said, the supply chain is not the same as in China. The efficiency is not the same. The labor cost is about half, but the efficiency is less, and the cost of the materials is higher. So overall, the cost out of Vietnam is about 12–15% higher than China.
The argument is to bring manufacturing back to the United States.
The places, first of all, there's no skilled workers for our business in the US. Other than that, a lot of materials for the current manufacturers in the US comes from China. So adding tariffs to get manufacturing back to the US it's not really working. It kind of works, of course it depends on the industry, right? But in our industry it doesn't work at all. Free trade and globalization is moving backwards, in my opinion.